Welcome back, folks. We're in the bush again, and today we're going to a hidden waterfall. Ooh. Oh, guys, we're getting close to the waterfall. I can hear it. Well, no trip would be quite complete without coffee time. Alright, coffee time's over. Let's pack it up. So first of all, these are wet. I don't like putting wet stuff in my pack. A little bit of extra gas, but it keeps my stuff clean and dry and ready to go for next time I want a coffee. Alright, well that's the first waterfall. The second waterfall is just down the trail. We're gonna go check it out. Come on. Well, it's been a fun little excursion, but it looks like we're back at the trailhead here. Glad we made it out, and highly recommend doing the same if you can. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to come back soon and see what else we get into, and I'll try to keep some pretty shots going. See what we can do.